Right now, you have about 6 weeks left until your child steps back into that classroom. And if you're not 100% satisfied with your custody, time sharing, or school related decision making plan, now is the time to act. Because once the school bell rings, courts are far less willing to rock the boat. Hi, I'm Anthony Spratley. I'm a veteran, former JAG prosecutor, and the founder of Genus Law Group here in New Mexico. And today, we're going to talk about what you need to know before the new school year starts. So every year we hear from a parent who realizes that it's too late for them to make any changes to that school calendar that's been locked in, but not just to the child's education, but their entire parenting plan. Courts in New Mexico strongly favor stability once school starts. That means if you're in a 50-50 schedule that isn't working, or you need primary custody to support school performance or logistics, you have a narrow window right now to file for a change. Judges are reluctant to entertain disruptive changes mid-semester unless there's an emergency. So if you're hoping to increase your time sharing, change pickup drop-off times or modify decision-making authority, your case is much stronger if it's filed before August. A child is switching schools or entering a new grade level and the current plan no longer works. One parent is relocating within the city and the new commute interferes with school, homework, routines, or behavioral concerns, suggests that a more structured environment is needed. So, what about if there's a conflict over enrollment? What about extracurriculars or even medical appointments related to school readiness? These aren't just dramatic emergencies, but they are valid. And if presented well, a judge will consider them, but only if you act before the school year starts. So before we continue on, if this sounds like your situation, or even if you're just unsure where you stand, pause this video, write down our number, 505-317-4455, okay? Or visit us at genuslawgroup.com. And if you're finding this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so more New Mexico families can stay informed and prepared. All right, so let's get back to it. So July is a golden opportunity. Judges aren't overloaded yet, school hasn't started, and most importantly, you look proactive and not reactive. By filing now, you're giving yourself time to negotiate, mediate, or prepare for a hearing before the school year begins. You're also showing that the court that you're just not reacting to a bad situation, you're acting in your child's best interest with the future in mind. Even if the other parent doesn't agree, you can still ask the court to modify the plan and potentially get a ruling in time to implement it before school starts. But there's no guarantee that you will get a hearing before school starts, but you got to act now. So at Genus Law Group, we've helped hundreds of parents across New Mexico navigate these school transitions, custody updates, and legal parenting disputes. And as a former JAG prosecutor and veteran, I understand the importance of timing, planning, and being mission focused. So whether you're in Albuquerque, Los Lunas, Santa Fe, Rio Rancho, Las Cruces, throughout the state of New Mexico, don't wait until you're trapped in the schedule that doesn't work. The time to act is now. Give us a call at 505-317-4455 or visit us at genuslawgroup.com to schedule a strategy session. Let's make sure your child starts the school year in the best possible terms, and you do too. All right? So until next time, be safe, New Mexico, and don't forget to like, comment, and follow.